Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. Today we're looking at a Rock Island Armory. This gun is from their MAPP series, M-A-P-P. They look like a CZ clone. I'm sure you said, hey, you're just showing us another copy of a CZ handgun. And you are not completely wrong, but this is a MAPP MS mid-size 22 TCM 9R. That's the name of the round. It's a mouthful, but it's an amazing round, and we're going to talk about that in a bit. But check out the business end of the barrel, right? 22 caliber, 40 grain bullet right there is what this will fire. Now, the 22 TCM is an amazing round. I featured it before with this TAC Ultra 1911. It's a conversion 1911 with 9mm barrel and recoil spring and 22 TCM, and I've enjoyed it. I love it. You know, the pop of the sound, the muzzle flash, the speed of the 22 TCM, which travels over 2,000 feet per second, is amazing. Check out what it did to this big heavy paver stone, where I compared it with a 22 long rifle. The 22 long rifle barely dented it, and this just crushed that paver stone. Some say it travels over 2,200 feet per second, and speed, velocity is power with a 40 grain bullet. So that goes to show you that this round is no joke. Now, this 1911 here has a 10 round magazine for both 9mm and 22 TCM. This here has a 16 round magazine. It is stamped 9mm and it is CZ compatible. So here we have my SP01 Phantom. I could take this magazine out. I could use this MS22 9R and it fits. And I could use the CZ mag here and we could see that that works as well. And this has a 17 round mag. So it's compatible with CZ magazines. Talked about the round. Now let's take a look at the gun itself. Here we have a double action, single action firearm, a Tanfoglio lower. All right, so if you love that lower, that's basically what you're getting there with the accessory rail there. Nice checkering on the grip. A little different, kind of scalish there. It's rather smooth, but it's not overly aggressive. Nice fit there. 3-finger contact. Does have a thumb safety and a parkerized finish slide. There is the Rock Island Armory logo. LPA sights, fully adjustable sights. Okay, LPA, they make great sights. And a pinned in front dot. Check that out. 3.8-inch barrel. And the single action probably breaks right around 5 pounds. And there is your reset double action right there. Pretty standard with many of the CZ copies. Let's get it on the scale, then we'll take a look at the internals. I can't wait to get this to the range because, let me get that other mag out of this. Because I tell you, when you shoot the 22 TCM, the sound that it makes, the flash that it delivers, and the speed that comes out of that barrel is nothing short of incredible. It's kind of addictive. 1 pound, 12 1/4 ounces, just ounces. We're looking at 28 1/4 ounces. But what I have here is 17 rounds in a MechGar CZ mag. So let's see what 17 rounds is going to weigh in at. 33 3/4 ounces. So, you know, you're getting a lot more firepower with the larger mags, obviously, but I'm used to shooting this 10 round mag, so that sure will be fun at the range. The disassembly is a familiar process. We'll go ahead and drop the magazine, show clear here, and then we'll align the markings on the slide and the frame just a tad there. And with the help of the bottom of the magazine, we'll push the back of the pin and pull it out on this side. It is tight. And then there is your frame. Get a closer look at that texturing, and then we'll go ahead and pull out the recoil spring. Uncaptured, all steel guide rod. And then here is the 3.8-inch barrel, and there is your slide and firing pin block right there. And you'll notice that this kind of bevels in and then back out. That's to fit the opening there, but I do believe that this slide is used for the 9mm models as well. I don't have any evidence for that. I just think that's how it is because they share magazines in just about every configuration. The 9mm and the 22 TCM do, and they are close in size. And we'll just go ahead and put this pin back in there, move those alignments back, and there you go, fully assembled. It's an easy process. It's a CZ clone that we are very familiar with, but it's a nice gun. It feels great. I cannot wait to experience that 22 TCM at the range again, and it sure will be fun, and I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.